So if we want to figure out what is wrong with this equation, first let's look at what secant theta tangent theta's graph looks like on pi third to pi. So I went ahead and graphed this in Desmos, and actually maybe let me go ahead and put the interval. So pi third x to pi. So this is what that looks like. Well, let's zoom out. Well, you can see how all of this is going to be positive. But somehow we get a negative answer. And remember, a negative area means we're below the x-axis if we're integrating, or we have more area underneath the x-axis than above. But over here, notice how all of this is positive, and we actually have a vertical asymptote at I'm not really sure, maybe like pi half or something. So that is actually what's going to end up being wrong. One, we know that this should be strictly greater than 0. And even more than that, if we kind of look at this, so secant is supposed to be 1 over cosine, so 1 over cosine theta, and then tangent is supposed to be sine over cosine. Yeah, so at theta is equal to pi half, um, secant theta tangent theta is undefined. And it just so happens that it looks like it's going to positive infinity. And so because of that, this limit or this integral here should just not exist at all. So this is kind of why it's important to, even though you could integrate this, you have to make sure you don't have anywhere where like you can plug in like 0 or just have any kind of undefined values. So yeah, this is why this isn't actually going to end up being true.